Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix AirDrop if it's not working on your iPhone. All right, if you found this video helpful, please do like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, easy fixes right here. If you have VPN or mobile data opened, make sure that those are disabled. Again, VPN or mobile data, or even personal hotspot. Okay, as AirDrop doesn't work if a hotspot, mobile data, or even a VPN is active. So go ahead and turn those off. Now, for the receiving device, just go ahead over to your control center. Now find AirDrop, enable it, and make sure that Bluetooth is enabled as well. And once that's done, disable it once more. Also for Bluetooth, disable both. Okay, and after that, enable it once more and enable AirDrop, and make sure, again, for the receiving end, you enable everyone for 10 minutes. Okay. And then after that, go ahead and try to transfer the media that you like to transfer. Now, if that doesn't work or it doesn't help, well, all you got to do is restart both devices, the sender and the receiver. Make sure that you disable AirDrop and Bluetooth first on both devices and then restart it. Once done, just go ahead and reopen AirDrop and everything should work perfectly fine now. That is it. That's how simple it is to fix AirDrop if it's not working on iPhone. I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.